Tesla has completely revolutionized the solar industry by turning bulky, ugly blue panels into a sleek, all-block, ultra-premium status symbol that sits flush against your roof with a rail-less mounting system capable of withstanding Category 3 hurricane winds. The real magic is under the hood, featuring 18 independent power zones that keep pumping out power even if a corner is shaded, plus an AI-powered inverter that preps your Powerwall before a storm hits. However, if you live in a hot state like Texas, Arizona, or Florida, installing these might actually cost you hundreds of dollars in lost power because these panels were engineered for the breezy 77-degree weather of California. Solar panels make power from light, not heat, and due to a physics concept called the temperature coefficient, when your roof reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit in the peak of summer, standard premium panels like Tesla's start suffocating, potentially losing 15 to 20% of their power generation right when your AC is working its hardest. For those in high heat states, a much better alternative is HDT, or heterojunction solar panels, which have the lowest temperature coefficient in the world and hold onto their efficiency way better under a baking sun. Plus, many HDT panels are bifacial, generating extra power by capturing light bouncing off your roof, and they degrade much slower over a 25-year lifespan. So while Tesla has the best-looking system on the market, science says it might not be the most efficient for your specific zip code. Let me know in the comments what your summer temperatures are like, and if you would choose aesthetics over raw power. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest tech deep dives.